So this is your living area. Here comes your kitchen, which is spacious one, right? So this is your master bedroom. And now let's check the space over here. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Gardens by the Brook project, which is located in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad, a project by Sumadura Group. And today we are here to check out the 2.5 BHK actual flat. But before that, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the actual tower where the construction work is going on. This is the actual land parcel of the project. And I will show you the actual land parcel with the help of miniature, how your project will look later on. But before that, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many calls. Well, where in Housey we connect you directly with developers, because the listing in Housey is done by the builder and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss the project overview. So with the help of this miniature, I can show you that this is the main entrance of your project. And this is total 9.6 acres of land parcel in which they are coming up with 8 towers having 2 basement, ground plus 14 floors. And in this, they are coming up with 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies. One more thing to mention that on the ground level, there is no vehicle movement. Now let me tell you about the amenities part. So this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities, like you can see this is the clubhouse number 1 and the clubhouse number 2. Let me tell you the USP of the clubhouse. So in this clubhouse, they are coming up with mini theater, co-working space, library and many more. Now let's see the other amenities. And over here, as you can see, here is the garden area, kids play area, that side is swimming pool, tennis court and many more. Now coming to the location part, this project is located bank of on National Highway 44, Bangalore Highway in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. Now let me show you the national highway itself. So this is that road, and on the left hand side takes you towards the airport, which is 10 minutes away, and on the opposite side it takes you to the Mehendipatnam. Now let me tell you about the connectivity of this project. So ORR Exit 16 is 5 minutes away from the project, with Trident Hospital 8 minutes away, with Solitaire Global School 20 minutes away from the project. And upcoming metro station is 15 minutes away from the project. Now let me inform you one more thing, that the sales office of this project has been made inside the land parcel itself in the tower. Now let's check your 2.5 BHK actual flat of 1420 square feet super built up area. So let's enter into your beautiful and spacious house. So this is your living area. So here you can set your sofa set because they have provided the TV unit space over here. And in living area, as you can see, here is one window which open towards your lobby side with an iron grill. And now over here, this place you can use it in a multi-purpose way, like you can even set your dining table over here. Now they have even provided a balcony. So this is your balcony, which is attached to your living and dining area. It comes with 3 side covered with half iron railing and half wall finishing, with the wooden finishing tiles, which is anti-skid tiles itself. Now let's move towards your kitchen area. So over this side is your kitchen area. Here comes your kitchen, which is spacious one, right? And now they have provided a window for ventilation purpose. And here comes a dry balcony. So dry balcony comes with anti-skid tiles and half wall. Now let's move towards your bedrooms. So firstly, let's check your 0.5 room. So on my left hand side is your 0.5 room. So this is the space. You can use it in a multi-purpose way, like even a bedroom, like kids' bedroom, or else you can make it as children's play area in your home, or else your workspace or study room. Now, as you have checked that in this room they have come up with a window with iron grill. Now let's move towards your bedroom number 1. So this side comes the bedroom number 1. So once you enter, you can check. Here also they have provided a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and even a cross window for ventilation purpose, and a washroom. So here comes the attached washroom. Comes with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And here they have provided sink inside the room itself. Now let's move towards the master bedroom, but before that let me tell you what are features, the key features Housey provides you. So Housey provides you the actual location tour with sample flat and actual flat videos, with pros and cons of the project, with payment scheme and EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tool, and all these features under one platform. Just you have to do is go and register yourself for free on www.housey.com. Now without wasting any time, let's move towards the master bedroom. So walking through your living and dining area, here comes your master bedroom. So this is your master bedroom, and now let's check the space over here. It is much more spacious with wooden finishing tiles, and here they have provided a window for ventilation and lighting purpose with iron grill. And on the opposite side, here comes the attached washroom. So here is the attached washroom. Comes with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And even here they have provided a sink inside the washroom itself. So now, as you all know, we are here at Madura Grove project. Have you checked another project with this developer? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you want more details about this project, you can click on the I button. And if you liked our video, do not forget to like, follow, subscribe, Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.